Hi, I'm Randy Reed, editor of the Edison Report, and we are here at LightPitch 2026 at Lighting Building in Frankfurt. I'm joined by Michael and Giardina. Michael, always a pleasure to see you.
This is our new Dyna Drum series. This is our third generation of Dyna Drum. It's a very popular series for us. And in addition to the normal update features like up to 80% more output, one of the things we're putting a focus on here is sustainability. And the thing we're bringing to the table with that here is our CoreSwap engine. So basically what that allows us to do is take the entirety of the electronics of the device, place it in this form factor with a blind connector, and we're able to swap it off of the back of the unit with 4 screws. So you can service this fixture in about 5 minutes. And not only does that allow you some easy sustainability and replacement in the field, but it means these solid state lights don't expire in 5 years. They expire whenever you can swap out these core modules. This is our new cylinder 1 Spectrum. So this takes everything that we had with our existing cylinder 1, the nice 6-inch form factor, and we are adding our Unity Spectrum 5 engine to this. So what that allows us to do is get full color mixing, dynamic white and dim to warm out of the exact same unit. So we have one unit for white, and cylinder 1 Spectrum can do anything else that you want it to do. So the other thing that it has is that light engine is RGBAL. So it's red, green, blue, amber, and lime in one housing.
Good. All right. I wish you a great show. Appreciate it, Randy. All right.